Imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, while imagination embraces the entire universe. A quote from Albert Einstein, my favorite scientist. Sit back and relax, acting president. Hello, toastmasters and friends. As we embark on a journey of discovery that steered the evolution of human knowledge for the last 400 years. I will start our journey during 14th century England, when a boy was born. His name is Isaac Newton. Newton lived a monk-like existence. He had a very fragile personality, without any love affair, only very few friends throughout his entire life. I cannot imagine, I can never imagine how lonely, how boring this man was. One day, he saw an apple fell, and he gazed up to the heavens. He looked at the skies and saw the moon, and he asked himself, if an apple fell or fall, does the moon also fall? Then he realized that gravity, the force that makes an apple fall towards the earth, is the same force that makes the moon revolve around the earth. At age 42, Newton started his quest on the unthinkable, the complex mathematics of gravity. For 2 years, he seldom talked to anyone. He deprived himself with rest. Most of the time, skipped meal. After 18 months of struggle, after 18 months of torturing himself, Newton emerged with his masterpiece, the law of gravitation and his laws of motion. During his time, these are breathtaking achievements. The law of gravitation defined gravity as a force, and his laws of motion determine precisely the motion of bodies, the motion of objects, from the fall of an apple to the trajectory of a cannonball to the orbits of the planets and stars. Newton, the loner, the antisocial, completed his quest of the unthinkable. It will take another 200 years for another absent-minded fellow propose a theory that even Newton himself would never have imagined. His name, Albert Einstein. Einstein was born in 1897 in Germany. His parents thought that he was retarded because it takes so long before he began to speak. He is often ridiculed because he was quiet and very withdrawn. At the age of 17, he entered university. After graduating with modest marks, he became a loser. A loser in every sense of the word. All his job applications for academic appointments in universities, all were rejected. However, he managed to find a job as a clerk in a Swiss patent office. This seemingly dead-end job gave him time to tackle the question that was bugging him since university. And the question was this: will I be able to see my reflection in the mirror if I travel at the speed of light? And in a flash of insight, the answer was a big yes. It means then that the speed of light is independent of the speed of the observer. This apparently innocent observation unlocked the Pandora's box of some of the most mind-boggling secrets of our universe. I'll mention two of them only. First, time can be slowed down. Einstein showed that if an object or a person is moving fast enough, his time will tick slower compared to the person who is at rest. Second, E equals mc squared. his famous equation. This is the equation relating matter and energy. Until now, I find it difficult to believe these conclusions. In fact, GPS clocks should be calibrated properly before launching them to orbit because it will tick slower compared to the clocks here on Earth. E equals mc squared. I often call this equation the equation of life and death. Death because this was the basis for the development of the atomic bomb, which ended World War II, killed thousands of lives. Life because the same equation governs the thermonuclear process of the sun, giving us sunshine, giving us warmth, thereby giving us life. Ladies and gentlemen, I can no longer overstate the legacy of these men. Their ideas triggered a frenzy of research that propelled human beings from the superstition and mysticism of the Middle Ages to the age of enlightenment and knowledge we're in today. My friends, my dear friends, let us become dreamers. Let us become visionaries. Let us start our quest of the unthinkable. For if the universe revealed its secret to a loner, to a pathetic loser like Newton and Einstein, perhaps one of us in this room, perhaps one of your sons, one of your daughters, may unlock the secret of life itself. Back to you, Toastmasters.